Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can automatically turn on power saver when battery life is below the level I specify, and here you can specify this battery level, so you can set it under 50%, 20, 15. I think 20 is okay. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.